how to transfer Google Photos to another account. Now, in order for us to get this done, the first thing that you're going to do is just open the first account. In my case, it's this logo right here and double V. Now I'm gonna click the image here, and let's go ahead and try to see everything. So the first thing that you're going to do is just basically copy everything. So you're going to click this one right here and then scroll down to the last image, and then you're going to hold the shift button and then click this. And as you can see, everything has been selected. Now go ahead and click the share button right here, click create link once again, and then copy. Now this time head over to your other Google Photos account. So this one right here, as you can see, I have nothing, no photos, no albums whatsoever. Now basically paste what you've copied here. If you're going to hit enter, you should see all of the images, and then you can just head over here and click save photos, and there you go. Now if you're going to go back to the Google Photos, you should see all of those images in here. And that is how you're going to transfer Google Photos to another account.